Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palettes. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. Each palette retails for $25 at Sephora. That's where I purchased mine. I do want to read a little bit about these palettes on Sephora.com. A limited edition eyeshadow palette featuring 6 ultra creamy blendable one-swipe shades in rich jewel tone shimmers. It is free of sulfates, SLS, SLES, parabens, formaldehyde releasing agents, phthalates, mineral oil, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Goes on to say what else you need to know. Inspired by the light and energy that surrounds us, these chromatic eyeshadows let you create endless looks that reflect your true aura. Featuring rich jewel tones in metallic and duochrome finishes, these creamy pigmented pack shades are silky smooth and blend effortlessly. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. This one is called Magnetic Spirit. The other palette is called Confident Energy. Today we're going to be playing with the Magnetic Spirit palette. That's the purpley one. We're going to be trying this out on a later date. It says Rare Beauty. I love the packaging. It's so simple. And then on the back it does say Magnetic Spirit. You have the ingredients here on the side and then you have a little description. I have not seen if the shadows are intact. It comes in this little white cardboard packaging, I guess to protect the shadows. So let's see. Ooh, here's what the palette looks like. Wow. I love the packaging, so beautiful. And then on the back, I'm gonna try not to blind you guys. Can you guys see the shade names up at the top? Here are what the shadows look like, you guys. Oops. We lost the little insert. It says you are rare. How cute. Wait, do you guys see it now? It says you are rare. Oh my goodness. Selena has thought about everything. And it also comes with a mirror, you guys. Wow, you guys know I love any product that comes with a mirror. Here we have all 6 shadows. First shade is called Ablaze. Wow, it's so soft in the pan. Here's what the shade in Ablaze looks like. Ablaze is described as a duochrome lavender. Blend this out. It's so creamy and buttery and it's so pigmented at the same time. Like, look at that duochrome. It's so reflective. The next shade is called Ignite. It's a berry shade. What the shade in Ignite looks like. Ignite is described as a metallic berry. Wow, look at that. Very pigmented. I can see myself blending this all over in the crease and then this in the lid. Oh my goodness, it's gonna look amazing. Let me blend this shadow out. I just can't get over how pigmented it is. The next shade is called Power. Power is described as a metallic amethyst. Wow. Oh my goodness, that is so pigmented. The next shade is called Clarity. Clarity is described as a metallic pale pink champagne. This shadow looks so beautiful in the inner corner or as a highlighter. The next shade is called Grounded. It's this beautiful corally shade. Grounded is described as a metallic coral. I'm not sure how this shadow would look on my eyes. The last shade in the palette is called Passion. Passion is described as a metallic dirty olive. Super pigmented. Here we have all 6 shadows swatched on the back of my hand. And now we're going to create a look using this palette. One thing I do want to point out is that the quality of the mirror is really good. Taking a fluffy brush, we're going to dip into the shadow in Ignite, blending this shadow all over the crease. We're going to be doing circular motion. I love how pigmented this metallic shadow is. I expected this shadow to be a bit more metallic, but actually really wearable. I love how easily that shadow blended in. Taking my finger, we're going to dip into the shadow in Ablaze, this beautiful duochrome. Swiping this shadow on our lid. Wow, that is so beautiful. I barely touch my finger to my eyelid, and look how much pigmentation. I'm getting a little bit of fallout. Going back in using my blending brush and just blending out the edges. That shade is stunning. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other eye, taking my finger, applying the shade on my lid. If you get a liquid duochrome shade, it's worth $25 or more, but you're getting 6 different shadows. Taking my blending brush and just blending out the edges. Again, that way there's no harsh lines. There is a bit fallout from that shadow, but don't worry, I will clean it up later on. Taking a pointed brush, we're gonna dip into the shadow in Clarity, placing that shade in the inner corner. Wow. Look how beautiful that is versus this side that doesn't have that inner corner highlight. I'm loving this eye look so far. I want to apply one more shade to this look, and it's the shadow in Power. Taking that same fluffy brush, just going to be pressing this shadow a little bit on my outer V. Look how beautiful it amped up the look versus this side. Let me just do the same thing. Taking a clean blending brush, we're going to be blending both of those shadows together. That way there's no harsh lines. This has to be my favorite eye look I've created so far. I love the gradient of the eyeshadow. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna be applying mascara and a lip, and I'll be right back. For mascara, I went in with the Marc Jacobs At Lash Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. For lips, I applied the shade in Plumful from MAC. This is part of their holiday collection. If you guys have not seen my review on their lipsticks, I'll leave it right over here in the cards if you guys are interested. Here's a closer look on how everything looks like. My final thoughts on the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette is that I really do like this palette. I love this duochrome shadow. It was the best one out of this entire palette. I really do like these purpley shadows as well. And same thing with the champagne-y shade. I thought it wouldn't look too good on me, but it's actually really, really pretty. These other two shadows I have not yet played with, but I will be, and I'll let you guys know how it does perform in the description box down below. I really do like how sturdy the packaging is. I love the mirror inside of it. It makes the palette feel very weighted. Definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and turn on that post notification so you guys will not miss an upload, and definitely stay tuned for the other Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.